Welcome to Techneca Media. In this video, we will take you to the Fort Santiago in Intramuros. Coming up next. But before we go there, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified of new content. If you want to watch our video about Intramuros, please click on the link above. Alright, let's start. Fort Santiago is a fortress located inside the walled city, Intramuros. It was built in 1593 by the Spanish Conquistador Miguel Lopez de Legaspi to defend their rule of the Philippines against invaders. It was named after Saint James, one of the 12 apostles of Jesus. Saint James is the patron saint of Spain. Located at the mouth of Pasig River, it has a 2,000 feet perimeter, 22 feet high walls with 8 feet thickness. The location of the Fort Santiago used to be the site of Raja Matanda's fortress, one of the rulers of pre-Spanish Manila. It was destroyed by the master of camp Martin de Goiti at around 1570. The Spanish used the Fort Santiago as a staging point for the Manila galleon trade of Manila and Acapulco, Mexico. At that time, both were under the rule of Spain. During the British occupation of 1762, Fort Santiago served as a base of operations for the Royal Navy until 1764. In 1898, during the American colonial time, the Fort Santiago was the base of operations for the U.S. Army. The U.S. are the one responsible for draining the waters from the moat and converted the land into a golf course. In 1941, during the World War II, the Japanese invaded the Philippines. The Japanese used the prisons of Fort Santiago and detained their POWs. During the Battle of Manila, the Fort Santiago sustained a lot of damage from American and Filipino mortar bombings trying to capture it from the Japanese. If you want to watch our videos about Casa Manila, please click on the link above. If you want to watch our videos about Manila Cathedral, please click on the link above. Baluarte de Santa Barbara is one of the bastion of Fort Santiago. It is used for storage of ammunition and arms. The Japanese used it for prison. Fort Santiago is the most historic landmark of Manila. There was a lot of history that happened there, and one of which was that of the national hero of the Philippines. Dr. Jose Rizal was detained in Fort Santiago by the Spanish before he was executed by firing squad at Bagong Bayan, now Rizal Park, in December 30, 1896. These footsteps depicts the last steps of Rizal as he was taken to Luneta to face his inevitable death. Today, Fort Santiago is part of the historical park in Intramuros, one of the best cultural tourist attractions in Manila. It features a Rizal shrine, a museum dedicated to the life and works of Rizal, and his time in prison there, right before he was executed. If you want to watch our video about San Agustine Church, please click on the link above. Thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.